In this video, I will show you how to get rootwoods or not root in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see in the world. Now you want a pretty decent forest axe to do this. So you want to upgrade your crafting bench and basically get the better axe. So I'm in sandbox mode, so I've managed to get this straight away. I've got the epic forest axe, which is the most powerful one you can get. Now to go ahead and get rootwood or not root, what you want to do is go into a cave. So I'm just going to go into this one, which is on the grasslands. The best way to find a cave in the game is on the grasslands if you actually come up high. And the best way to describe them is they sort of look like turtle shells. So you can see this is basically what they look like. So what you want to do is go ahead and enter into the cave. So once you're actually inside the cave, what you can do is look for not root. Now not root is basically stuck into the walls and into the roof, so you can see some here, and all you want to do is basically use your forest axe. So you just want to go up to it and use your forest axe, and what it's going to do is on some of them it's actually going to drop the not root or root not down. So as you can see, this one here has dropped not root, so we're just going to go down and you can see this is what the rootwood or not root looks like, so you can just go and collect it. So that's how to go ahead and get rootwoods in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.